Next problem, a rectangle is to be made with perimeter 100 meter and area 525 square meter. What are the length of the sides? Before they have said about the sides, this much meter longer than that and all. But here they have just given perimeter and area given. They didn't say anything about the sides. We have to find out what are the length of the sides. Now you have a rectangle and the area given here. So what we can do is that is we have to use this perimeter and area. What is perimeter of a rectangle? You know that perimeter of a rectangle formula. Perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth is equal to, what is the answer getting? 100. That you have to write. That a given clue we have to use here. Perimeter 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 100. So that length plus breadth I can find out now. 2 can bring here, so that 100 by 2 it will be 50. So length and breadth when you add, you will get 50. One length, one breadth you add, you will get 50. And now, so if I keep a length here and breadth if I bring here, you can find out length no. So that 50 minus b, 50 keeping here, plus b becomes minus b. So that 50 minus b. Now what I can do here is breadth I can let breadth is equal to x. Breadth I can, smaller one I can take it as x, and the length will be, what is your length? That is 50 minus b. 50 minus b is what here x. So that all you have to understand. Okay. So length will be 50 minus x. What you did, length plus breadth 50. So that we want to find out length from that. So 50 minus breadth. So if I take b as a x, length will be 50 minus x. So now that one you have to substitute in area. What is the area formula? Area is equal to length into breadth. So that length is how much? 50 minus x into breadth is x is equal to, what is the area? 525. Now you have to multiply inside. First term and the second one. 50 into x, 50x minus x into x square is equal to 525. So that this square term should be first term, no? So minus x square plus 50x is equal to 525. I didn't do anything, just place this in, because this equation looking like this, no? Square terms will come first. Now always you know that equation will be positive, starting with positive. So I want to change this. So when I change this, every sign will be changing. Or I can say you have to multiply by minus 1. Or else, if it is easy to understand, means if you change the sign, if you want to make it positive, here this should be minus, this should be minus. Okay, if it is minus here, it should be plus, like that. So I am changing this one, x square. So this will, minus becomes plus becomes minus. 50x is equal to, this plus becomes minus 525. Now listen here. First term is there, second term is there, third term missing, no? So third term, how to find out? That you know, a by 2 whole square. So what is that? A here, x coefficient 50. 50 by 2 whole square. That is 50 is half how much? 25 square. So 25 square, add here and here. So that x square minus 50 plus 50x plus 25 square. Because this one you have to add is equal to 525 minus 525 plus 25 square. So this first term and the last term, and you have to remember this is minus, so you have to put a minus. First term here, last term here 25. This minus you have to put here, because previous and only you have seen plus, that's why you have plus. Square is equal to minus 525 plus 25 square is how much? That is, you multiply and see, it will be 625. If you pay hard, it's easy. So that x minus 25 whole square is equal to, this is minus 525 plus 625, nothing but 625 minus 525 only. That is, answer is 100. So that square is going that side as square root. X minus 25 is equal to square root of 100. So what is answer? Root 100 will be 10. So x is equal to 10 keeping here, and the minus 25 comes to plus 25, 35 will get. So breadth is how much? Breadth is equal to x is how much here? 35 meter, and the length, go back and see, 50 minus x, that is 50 minus 35, 15 meter. Next we'll move on to the problem, page number 86, the question number 2. Page number 86, question number 2. 9 added to the product of two consecutive multiples of 6 gives 729. What are the numbers? So here 9 is adding to the product. Product means multiplication of two consecutive multiples of 6. So multiples of 6 means if I start with 6, next will be what? 12. Adding 6, no? 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6. Like that it is going on. Multiples of 6 means everywhere adding 6. So for that two numbers, we don't know which two numbers. So that multiples of 6, two numbers if we take, and the product of that and add it to the 9, you will get 729. So how to make this equation, and we have to find out what are those numbers. This is just an example, okay? So which number we don't know. So what we are going to take now? We have to take a algebra. Multiples of 6, first number I don't know, I have to take x. So what will be the next consecutive multiples of 6? Adding 6, so that it will be x plus 6. If it is multiples of 7 means x plus 7. If it is 8 means x plus 8, like that. X plus 6. Now, what they told, 9 added to the product of two consecutive multiples of 6. Product of this one, x into x plus 6, product of these two, added 9 is added, so that you will get 729. So this is the equation you are getting. Now we want to find out this x answer. Now what you have to do? Multiply inside. That is x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 729. So that x square 6 into x 6x 9. So you got no third term already there. If it is not there only we are finding a by 2. But here already there. So how can I put it into a square completion? Means inside the square how can I put? So first number x only, here plus, but here whether 9 square given? No. If it is 9 square given means 9 we have to take. But here 9, just 9 given. 9 given means you should understand that some number square it is 9. Already some number square it is 9. So 9 means which number square is 9? That is 3. 3 square is 9, no? So that number I have to write. If it is 9 square, you can write 9. But here 9 square not there. So that means 3 square is 9. So that square you have to put here. Now 729. So you don't have to add here because already here given. Now square here. Now x plus 3 is equal to square going that side as 7 square root 729. So now 729 square root you should know. If you know you can write, otherwise you have to do this way. Easy method 729. So 9 ending no, so I can start with 3. 3 2s are 6, so that 1 carries here, 1 12. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So again 3. 3 hours are 24, 3 8s are 24 and 3 remain, 3 1s are 3. Now this one you can take 9 9s are no, 9 9s are, again 9 1s are. Okay, that is enough. Now from this 1 3, from this 1 9 and here 1 if you take also no problem. 3 into 9, 3 into 9, what is the answer? 27. So this is the answer for this. X plus 3 is equal to 27. Square root is 27. Now x is equal to 27 minus 3 plus becomes minus. 27 minus 3 means it's 24. So x is 24. Again 24 plus 6. So therefore the numbers is equal to 24. 24 plus 6 how much? 30. So these are the numbers. Next part is two answers. So two answers means same way we have to do as we did the same way. But here we are going to get two answers here. That is how we are going to see. Page number 91, you can take the second question. Find two numbers with sum 4 and product 2. Means two number we are taking. When you add that you are getting 4 and when we multiply those numbers you are getting 2. So find those two numbers. So what they told, first number plus the second number 4. Sum means addition. First number, second number when you add 4 getting. And the product means multiplication is 2. First number and the second number when you multiply you will get 2. Now we have to find out those first number and second number. What is that? We have to find out. For that, first I will take, I don't know the first number, so x I am going to take. So if this is x plus second 4. what will be the second number? Second number is equal to 4 minus x. 4 minus x will be. So that I am going to put for the product here. First into second is 2. First is what? X into second number 4 minus x is equal to 2. So that I want to multiply inside first number and the second number. 4x minus x square is equal to 2. Now I am going to write this as a first, changing the position like this. Now this is minus. Now I want to make it as a positive. So that this sign will change. Plus becomes minus and here also minus. Now first term, second term, third term missing, and that you can find out by a by 2 whole square. How it is? Coefficient of x is 4. 4 by 2 whole square, that is 2 square. 2 square you have to add here. So x square minus 4x plus 2 square is equal to minus 2 plus 2 square. So that first number, last number, you have to put it inside the bracket. This minus you have to put 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 plus 2 square is 4. So that x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Like this, okay? Minus 2 plus 4 means 4 minus 2 only. Now root will go here. X minus 2 is equal to square, it will be square root 2. That is the thing. Two answers came, no? That time you are getting here plus or minus. Plus or minus you will get. Plus or minus means one plus answer will be there, one minus answer will be there. Now for that, first I am going to take, okay, x is equal to square root 2. This we don't know the value, so square root only. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay, now this I can change. This one I can change, no? So or else, see, x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root 2 is there. So for the first time, I am going to take this as a plus, okay? Plus square root 2 plus 2. The next one, I am going to take it as x is equal to, this plus already I have took. Now minus I am going to take minus root 2 plus 2. This minus 2 is going that side as 2 plus 2. Now this I can change the place. 2 plus root 2. This change in place now is equal to 2 minus root 2. So these are the two answers you will get. Here, when you take the square root, plus or minus, so first one you have to put the plus, next one you have to put the minus. That is the only changes.